Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from Your Rice Persons. Hope you all are very well. Thank you so much for your great love, support. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some beautiful, elegant, pure silk collections only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful color, bright royal blue shade, pure Vishnupuri cotton silk. Nice one, beautiful color, soft, lightweight, comfortable with silk mark also. This one is full base part, full plain cotton silk, royal blue shade, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, beautiful color, full base is plain, pure silk, pure cotton silk, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work, bouquet work, contrast blouse piece with this saree. The beautiful gorgeous party looks, very nice one. This one also very beautiful elegant one, pure tussar silk with zari border and beautiful printed one, very beautiful elegant also. This one is full base part of white base. This one is full base part, very beautiful one with red contrast printed. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one. This one is golden zari border, red piping, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful printed, golden zari stripes with beautiful printed stripes line. Very exclusive one. Pure tussar silk with silk mark. This one is full base part, very exclusive one. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is golden zari border, pure tussar silk. And I will suggest the silk material with heavy weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your elegant, trendy, beautiful looks. This one also very bright one, pure Vishnupuri silk with print, black with mustard yellow combined work print, very nice one. This one is full base part, very demanding and beautiful one. This one is full base part, half part is mustard yellow with print. This one is half part, beautiful printed one, black with mustard yellow combinations, very exclusive one, and half part is black with mustard yellow with print border, very nice one. I will suggest this silk material with weaving butta work, contrast blouse piece for your elegant, beautiful, bright looks. This one also very elegant combinations of white with yellow and black contrast print, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, contrast color mustard yellow shaded border and full body beautiful printed. This one is full base part, contrast color border, and this one is off white base with beautiful printed, premium quality, pure handloom Vishnupuri silk with print. This one is pallu end, and this one is full base part, beautiful one. Full base is beautiful printed. This one is running blouse piece. This one is contrast color printed border, and I will suggest this cotton fabric batik printed contrast blouse piece. Very smart, trendy, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one also very nice one, beautiful one, premium quality, pure handloom Vishnupuri silk with beautiful printed one, very nice one. Let me open. This one is full base part with silk mark also. This one is pallu. Pallu is very beautiful one, beautiful stripes pattern printed pallu end. This one is base part with contrast color border, printed border, and this one is half part, beautiful stripe split section. Half part is beautiful printed one. This one is running blouse piece. This one is split section. This one is upper part, beautiful floral printed, and this one is pallu end stripes pattern with beautiful print, very soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful printed. Pallu is stripes pattern. This one is pleat section. This one is running blouse piece. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, and I will suggest this silk material with bouquet work contrast blouse piece for your smart, trendy, exclusive, elegant looks. This one also in a very bright one, Tussar silk, mustard yellow with contrast color border, golden zari border, very nice one. This one is full base part, very demanding and exclusive looks. This one is full base part, mustard yellow with beautiful printed border. This one is beautiful printed border. And this one is pallu in contrast color stripes, golden zari stripes with beautiful printed pallu. Very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, beautiful color combinations also. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, zari border, and this one is beautiful printed border. Golden zari with printed border. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Tussar silk with print. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, exclusive, bright looks. A very beautiful one, beautiful printed also. Let me open. Pure Tussar silk with kalamkari print, very nice one, red with off-white combination, very nice, exclusive looks. This one is full base part, very beautiful one, fully hand print, golden zari border, red contrast piping, and this one is beautiful red printed, very nice one, soft, lightweight, pure Tussar silk with print, fully hand print. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu in beautiful one, fully hand print, golden zari stripes with printed one. Very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Tussar silk with hand kalamkari print. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. Pure Tussar silk, golden zari border with beautiful hand kalamkari print. This one also very beautiful one, bright red one with print, pure Vishnupuri silk with printed one. Let me open. Bright red shade, very demanding also. This one is beautiful printed one, bright red with white combined printed one. This one is pallu end, very beautiful, fully hand print, red with off-white combinations, fully hand print. This one is pleat section, half portion, and this one is upper body portion, bright red one, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful golden beads print work contrast blouse piece, very bright, beautiful, exclusive looks. Pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark and beautiful hand print. This one also very nice one, a coffee brown shade with print, multicolor box pattern, multicolor printed border, very nice, beautiful looks. This one is full body part, base part, coffee brown shade, and this one is border portions, multicolor printed, brass printed. This one is full base part, very nice one, pure Vishnupuri silk with beautiful printed one, brass effect. This one is pallu, multicolor box pattern printed pallu, very beautiful one. This one is full base part, coffee brown with multicolor box border, fully printed, pure Vishnupuri silk with silk mark. And I will suggest this cotton fabric ikat contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, beautiful, exclusive looks. Very bright one also. This one also, very beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, very exclusive one with golden zari temple weaving border, very beautiful, elegant one, bright bottle green shade. This one is full base part, beautiful color, bright one. This one is full base part, this one is border, golden zari with temple weaving, golden zari weaving temple border design, very nice one, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk with silk mark. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, contrast color, and this one is pallu end, beautiful multi-color stripes pallu. Very beautiful, exclusive, elegant looks, golden zari highlighting lines with beautiful multicolor stripes pallu. Beautiful weaving border, bottle green, bright bottle green, dual shade, 3D effect, very exclusive one. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk. And I will suggest this silk material with weaving, golden zari weaving buta work contrast blouse piece for your beautiful, bright, elegant body looks. Very elegant one, beautiful, bright one. So, very beautiful, elegant one, pure Tasar silk with beautiful hand print, golden zari border, and full base part is beautiful printed one. Very elegant looks also. Let me open. Soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one is full base part, beautiful, fully hand print, golden zari border, pure Tasar silk. This one is full base part. Very nice one, beautiful printed one, fully hand print. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part, golden zari stripes with beautiful fully hand print. Pure Tasar silk with silk mark, very exclusive one. And I will suggest this silk material, checks, golden zari checks with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree. Very beautiful, elegant, exclusive looks. Very nice one. This one also very bright color, pure Vishnupuri Katan silk, full base is plain, very nice one, beautiful looks, 3D effect, 3D Katan silk, full plain, very nice one, beautiful, trendy, smart looks, beautiful color also. This one is full base part, very nice one, 3D effect, dual set. Very exclusive one, very smart, trendy, elegant looks also. Very beautiful and beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri Katan 3D Katan silk. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, beautiful, elegant party looks. Very exclusive one, very trendy one. This one also very beautiful one, pure Vishnupuri Katan, Vishnupuri silk with fully hand print, very beautiful, exclusive looks. This one is full base part. This one is fully hand print. This is pallu, contrast color with beautiful hand printed pallu, and this one is base part. And border portion is beautiful hand print, very exclusive one. This one is full base part, contrast printed border, and this one is border portions, beautiful fully hand print, very exclusive one. This one is half part, red with contrast color border. This one is running blouse piece. This one is red base contrast color border, and half portion is fully hand print with contrast color border, very exclusive one, soft, lightweight, comfortable. This one also contrast color, fully hand printed pallu, very beautiful one. And I will suggest this silk material with buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your beautiful, smart, exclusive looks. This one also a very beautiful one, pure Tasar silk with printed one contrast border, zari contrast border color. This one is full base part, beautiful printed. This one is full base part, Beautiful printed one, contrast color zari border. One portion is blue shaded, one portion is green shaded contrast border. Pure Tasar silk with print. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful one, contrast color stripes with beautiful printed pallu. Very nice one, exclusive looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric stitching stripes printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, trendy, exclusive looks. This one also, very bright one, purple base, pure Vishnupuri 3D Katan silk, very exclusive one, bright, beautiful looks. Full base is plain, very trendy one. This one is full base part, very beautiful, exclusive looks. Soft, lightweight, comfortable, pure Vishnupuri 3D Katan silk with silk mark also. And I will suggest this silk material with heavy Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this one for your beautiful, elegant, bright looks. And today I have draped a beautiful, bright, pure Vishnupuri silk with print saree. This one is red base, pure Vishnupuri silk, and this one is border also very beautiful contrast color printed one. Full border portion is beautiful print, and this one is pallu part. Pallu also beautiful printed contrast printed pallu. Very nice one, soft, lightweight, very comfortable. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Thank you so much.